Okay, so I got a hinge pin in my nail bag. Whenever I put these up, I always start at the top. I've seen some guys, it cracks me up. They try to put this up and set it on the bottom hinge, and they try to swivel the door in. Well, inevitably, when you do that, the second hinge wants to hit, or the third one, and then you have to try to wedge the door up. I'd rather put the top one on, then I can let go of it, and then all the weight is hanging down, you know what I mean? So I'm going to just lift it up and line this back up and hold it with my left hand. Get that up there, and I'm only going to put the pin down a little bit because I still have the door swung out. You know what I mean? Don't try to tap that all the way in because the door is already out at an angle. You could bend the hinge pin or whatever. Okay, now I can lift that, line this up like that, and I've got the next one. It looks like the bottom one is going to have to, looks like it needs to go up a little bit. So I'm going to just pull up on the door if I can and see if I can't get it. If I can't, I'm going to take my hammer, tap the bottom up just a little bit, see if I can't get it in. There. Okay, now I can put this one in. Tap, tap, tap. You can use your handle like that, so that you don't want to gouge up your door or anything like that. And if your bottom one's not lining up, now you can kind of push this in or pull it out, whatever. Make sure it's lined up. Tap it in. And I'm not going to put it in all the way. I'm going to leave it out a little bit, just like before, in case I have to take this door down again. That's plenty. I want to get that down far enough so that the pin goes down all the way through here, okay? Now I can close the door.